Today's lesson will focus more on memorization, not so much on the guitar in the video, but for yourself. We're going to learn some very important notes on the guitar. At first, this may seem like not enough or that there's no reason to learn these few notes, but I promise later when we learn chord shapes and the many different kinds of chords, this lesson will prove to be useful. Today we will only focus on the low E string, so the biggest or thickest string on your guitar, and we are going to learn only a few notes on this string. You might have noticed that on my guitar I don't have any dots. Your guitar probably has 2 dots here, 1 here, here, and here. I don't want you to look at me and copy what I do. I want you to see where I am on the fretboard, and then for you to understand for yourself where you are and practice using your guitar. So don't just watch this video and try and copy what I'm doing. I'll show you where on the fretboard to begin. I want you to pause the video and find the same fret and then do the exercise and repeat for all the notes that we will learn today. Okay? So, the lowest string, the thickest string, is the E string. Alright, so this note with no fretting is the E note. There's many notes on the guitar and even on the string alone, but we will only learn a couple. So the first is E. The very first fret, the first fret on the E is the F note. Alright, so I want you to now on your guitar find the first fret, and that is F. I want you to repeat the exercise from lesson 3 for the F note. Okay? Pause the video and do that exercise 2 or 3 times up and down. Alright? So, we've learned the F. Now let's go up to the 3rd fret. The 3rd fret. Your guitar will have a dot on this fret. This is the G note. G. Again, from lesson 3, execute the same exercise. 1, 2, 3 times. Then go back to the F note. Same thing. Move up to G. Now after you've done that, move up to the 5th fret, the number 5 fret, here. Again, you will have a dot on your guitar for this fret. Do the same thing. And then go down, back to the G. Back down to the F. And then up again back to where we started on the A. All right. Go up 2 frets to the B note. B as in boy. Again, your guitar will have a dot on this note. Same exercise. And down back to the F, and then back up again to where we started with the B. So B, A, G, F, F, G, A, B. So back to where we start. Every time we learn a new note, we go backwards from what we learned, and then forwards from what we learned. And then we learn the new note after B, which is the number 9 fret. Sorry, number 7 fret. Go up 1 between 2 dots. This is the number 8 fret, the 8th fret. Same exercise. And again, go backwards and forwards. So we have 8th fret, which is C, the C note. Down 1 fret to the B, down to the A, G, F, and then back up to G, A, B, C. After the C note, go up 2 frets to the 10th fret, the number 10 fret. This is the D note, D as in dog. So D. D on the 10th fret, C on the 8th fret, B on the 7th fret, A on the 5th fret, G on the 3rd fret, F on the 1st fret. Okay, now we're almost done. We have one more. So go back up, F, G, A, B, C, D, and then on the 12th fret, where there are 2 dots on your guitar, this is E. Same exercise. You'll notice that the 12th fret, the 2 dot fret, is the note E. The same as if we weren't fretting. They are both the same note. We will talk more about this later, but for now, for this exercise, I want you to practice going up and down on all of these notes until you memorize what fret is what note. So F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. This exercise could take you 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. What's important is not going as fast as you can, but what's important is knowing the letter on this string for those, what is that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 frets, 7 notes. So your goal is to memorize these 7 notes on this string. All right, so practice that, come back for part 2. Part 2 is the same as part 1, but on a different string. Don't be scared or nervous, it's really easy. Instead of starting on the lowest string, we will start on the highest string. Now before you get worried and think you have to learn more notes, let me tell you that it's the same. This string is the same as this string. They are both E. So beginning on the first fret is the same as this string, F. Both are F. Third fret, both are G. Fifth fret, both are A. Seventh fret, B. Eighth fret, C. They're the same. 10th fret, both are D. 12th fret, both are E. So just like in part 1, where we would begin on 1 fret and do our 4-finger exercise, this time I want you to begin on the highest string and do the same exercise backwards, but still trying to memorize the note. So F. And just go up the fretboard again. And go up the whole fretboard until you've memorized all the notes on the high E string, which should be easier now that you've learned the notes on the low E. So E, for example. And just go up and down on both. Again, this could take 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. The goal is to memorize the letters, the 7 letters from this exercise. F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. 7. That's the goal on only these 2 strings. All right, happy hunting.